Alright, this is my part. I don't know whatever part it is. I'm cleaning the seats with this expert clean or detergent Hoover, and this part of it is So I tried to clean this one with some old one that I found that I had laying around. Didn't really work that great. So I'm gonna try the new stuff that was inside the box that came with the box. Actually, it's a sample. So this is the machine. You just put water here in this compartment, and you pre-mix with that. Not all of it though, but you have to you have to know the ounces. And you have water here. That's your bad water. It's gonna suck out over here. This is a self-cleaning Spotless carpet cleaner, and we'll see how it works. So I'm gonna move this thing to the dirty seat right here, as you can see. So all you need is just plug it into outlet, and then you have this hose. There's a button right here that sprays. I'll show you how to turn it on. It works like a vacuum. And then you have this thing spraying. So you want to spray the seat first to get it all soaked up. Get it all wet. Alright, let's see. So now you want to So we got it kind of clean. It still doesn't get those permanent like black spots or paint. It doesn't get rid of that, but it does get rid of the dust that's inside the seat and all dirt that was on the seat. So you can see it got kind of better now looking, but it's just wet. This is the machine, and you can see there's a lot of dirt right there. Before it was clean water, so it did the job. It did get a lot of dirt from the seat. So, well, I'll make a new video afterwards, and I hope you guys remembered how it looked before. Remember this one. I'll do them and then let them dry, and then make a new video so you guys can see the results. So stay tuned, and this is the review of this one, the carpet cleaner, the small edition one. You can purchase at Home Depot. I bought this one for $79. So test it out. If it doesn't like it, you can always return it, or you can just watch this video. And if you don't like it, just don't buy it at all. So yeah, take care, guys. Subscribe, like, and see you next time.